Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on prognosis. What happens when you don't take care of this disease or when you neglect this disease? So when you neglect this disease, there will be a lot of serious complications. In most of the kids, it is going to resolve, but in some of the kids, it becomes serious. When the total bilirubin level crosses more than 20 mg per dl, this condition is known as kernicterus. In kernicterus, this bilirubin enters into your brain and it will cause permanent damage to the brain of your kid. It will cause permanent hearing loss, permanent vision loss. There can be seizures or there can be fits in the kid. There can be complete paralysis of the body. There can be reduced intelligence. These are permanent damages that can happen to your kid. So do not neglect this disease. Take care of this disease with a expert homeopathic doctor. How to identify kernicterus is very simple. In neonatal jaundice, when the baby becomes dull and he is more yellow than compared to normal kids, then you have to suspect kernicterus. Finally, we are Fidicus Homeopathy. Fidicus Homeopathy has multiple branches across the world. You can take two types of treatment for neonatal jaundice. You can approach us directly. You can bring the kid to us and we will examine the kid and start the treatment. Or else you can take online treatment. In online treatment, you can have both audio call and video call. In video call, we will see your kid and we will ship the medicines to your doorsteps wherever you are in this world. We are shipping the medicines entire world. We have patients in US, UK, France, Japan, Germany. So we are treating the kids across the world. So finally, homeopathy is safe, homeopathy is effective, homeopathy is timely in physiological neonatal jaundice. Not only in physiological neonatal jaundice, in other forms of jaundice where it is pathological, it has a lot of implications in the kids. That's the reason consider homeopathy for your kid, whether he is right now suffering from neonatal jaundice or the complications of neonatal jaundice, or the kids when they are grown they still have the complications of jaundice. You can approach us and take the treatment with us. You have highest success rate for neonatal jaundice compared to any other homeopathic doctor or the corporate homeopathic hospital or clinics in the world. So Fidicus Homeopathy is the best answer for your neonatal jaundice. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy